In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the column width or the row height. Yes, for example, you have prepared your work and you want to either increase the row height or the column width. Positioning the cursor in the column border, the joint between two columns. For example, move your mouse. For example, I want to decrease the column width of this column. As you can see, put your cursor in the header, this one, in the column letter, as you see, this one, then move where you want to increase your column. For example, when I put this one, it means I have decreased, or you can move to this side. So when you want to increase the row height, the same, put your cursor this one, then move it. But also you can highlight them. After highlighting, then put it somewhere. After then, move. So I have increased all cells because I have highlighted all these cells. As you can see, highlighted the whole row. After that, put it anywhere to arrange. Then drag. So as you can see now, I have applied all cells. All cells have increased the rows. Okay. But simply when you want to increase more cells, highlight them. As you can see here, highlight it, then go to format, then row height. Clicking on row height right here. For example, I want to apply to 22 height, as you can see, or I can increase up to 40, right, 40 here, as you can see now. But also I can increase the column height, the column width, maybe let's say be 30, as you can see this one. So simply highlight the cell which you want to add, either column width or row height. As you see, go to format, row height. For example, write 15. As you can see, has decreased, but also I can increase up to 20, as you see. Also I can use either 25, as you see is increased, but also I can increase the column width. Column width maybe 15, or column width maybe 9. As you can see now, it's working. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos.